So we saw a redfish and some sea trout or speckled trout, however you want to say it.
You saw speckled trout?
Yeah, and that's kind of what's all out here. So tonight we're gonna come out here and set some lines out because we're not catching them artificial bait. So now,
I heard something over there. Look, all this stuff is jumping out of the water. So tonight you're gonna set what?
I know there's trout and stuff.
So what were you saying?
Is it really a needlefish? Where?
Right there, the one comes off the water.
That's a big one too. It's like a little gar, but it's a
Hey,
needle.
don't let Ruger. Ruger, you better not jump to that bait.
He will, dude. Trust me.
You shouldn't have taught him how to go after
Hey,
a
look,
fishing pond.
there's a swell coming this way
Yeah.
right here.
I see it. He's Parker. He's.
The one that just jumped over there. He freaking.
Where? Oh, he's like a long eel.
Preston, come get him.
He's tiny.
Where is he?
He's right there. He's right there.
He's right here, bud.
Oh, yeah, right there.
Hold on, where'd it go?
He's right here.
Ruger, come on.
You got a mullet. Yes, you got a mullet.
I got. So
Oh, what is that down there?
mom said you put beer in my bait bucket.
Okay. So,
Yeah, there's strategy there.
what were you saying? You're gonna set what tonight? Cause you need live bait.
Yep, some live bait. Or so I need that cooler data. Someone go grab the gun. Yeah. These are more shallow ones. Yeah, I know. This is my first time actually catching a mullet. Otherwise, I would buy them from the bait shop. It's like a little shiner, clearly.
Mm-hmm.
Let me see.
It's not so gold.
Yeah, I'm gonna. That's good bait right there.
That looks like what you got out of our pond. Or, I mean, our creek.
Yeah, little shiners.
Mm-hmm.
But that's really good bait right there. We can catch a lot of stuff on that one.
A little bit extra.
But if we had a little bit bigger ones, we can catch sharks and stuff. So, like, what bait's worth throwing compared to that's the bait we're throwing right here. They look pretty similar. So, like Parker's throwing. What are you doing? And the fish comes up.
Okay, well, they just finished cleaning the house. Everything is straightened away, and now we can get in there. It's only like 8:10, so about 4 hours late, but it's okay. We were at the beach anyways. As you can see, the kids are swimming and fishing, and I have to go get the ski boards or boogie boards or whatever they're called. Jeremy and Bobo went back to the house because they were getting eaten up by flies, which is really, really weird, but we need some more waters. There's a cute little crab. Oh, he's so cute. So this is our path back to the beach house. Look how pretty this is. They're almost like morning glories. They were open earlier, but they're very big vining plants. And look, they cover the path. We got palms, seagrass, lots of dead trees. Must have been from that hurricane back in 2018. Look, more palms. It's beautiful though, isn't it? Look at this sugar white sand. walking on it, but I have to get back to the house. So the flies, Jeremy and Ruger, the flies are eating our legs up, like actually biting flies, which is so weird. I've never experienced flies at the beach before, so we're gonna definitely have to get some off. Is there something on there?
No, I didn't get it off. Parker! Go walk out there for
Would you
me.
say it got off? Honey?
No. Yeah, I got off, whatever. They took it and started running back. And now the spider went shooting in the ground. That was a fish though, was it?
Yeah. It was like, did you hear it?
That's a good
Unreeling?
start of the night. Keep going.
You having fun?
Yeah. Can't believe it happened.
What?
God got bit like hard.
Like totally hard.
Line.
You having fun?
Yeah.
What do you think it was? A sea trout?
Shark.
Like a little shark?
Yeah.
It was a hard hit.
That was with a, what's it called? With a drum.
A drum?
Yeah.
Like a grouper?
No, it was with a drum, not just. First time I touched it.
You guys say cheese? Preston. Cheese. Cheese next to your little brother. Stop that.